difference between receipt and payment and income and expenditure account. Okay, so now the basis receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account are given. We have six bases of differences between these two accounts. The first one is the purpose. Okay, receipt and payment is basically prepared only to enter all the cash items, that is cash receipts and cash payments, wherein income and expenditure is being prepared to know whether there is any surplus or deficit, that is whether there is any profit or loss during the current period. Okay, the second one is nature of account. Your receipt and payment account is a real account because it is cash account, right? It is a summary of all cash receipts and payments, so it is a real account. And income and expenditure is a nominal account because here we enter all the expenses and incomes related to that particular current or the accounting year. Okay. Third one is basis of accounting. What are the accounts that we enter, or what are the accounts related to cash or non-cash items are being recorded? First, receipts and payments account. Here in the receipts and payments account, we will enter only accounts or the items related to cash, which means only cash system is being entered. Non-cash items are totally not recorded in the receipts and payments account. Wherein when it comes to income and expenditure account, we will be entering all the non-cash items also. Okay, here we are just going to omit only the capital accounts, that is your capital receipts and expenditure, but you will enter both cash items and the non-cash items. The fourth one is opening and closing balance. So as we all know, receipts and payments account will be entering both the opening balances and closing balances of cash and bank account. But in income and expenditure, we need not enter any cash or bank opening and closing balances. Instead, we will be finding out only the surplus or deficit. Okay. Fifth one is the nature of items, that is what are the accounts that will appear in the receipt and payment account. We will write all the accounts or the items related to the revenue and capital, that is it can be revenue receipts or revenue payments. The same way it can be capital receipts or capital payments. So here when it comes to income and expenditure account, here we'll be entering only the revenue expenses and revenue incomes and not the capital expenses or incomes. Last one is the period for which it is being done. Okay, or the period of accounts whatever we take into the receipts and payments. Receipt and payment account, we will be entering all the cash receipts and payments which are done in related to the past, current, or even the subsequent year. Okay, which means the previous year, current year, and subsequent year, all the accounts are being taken. Okay, but in income and expenditure account, we will be entering only the accounts or the amount relating to the current period, that is current accounting year. We will not take up the previous or the subsequent year accounts.